This is huge! You can now use the Stream Deck with Streamyard. So coming up in this video, we are going to be talking about what is the Stream Deck and Streamyard and why it is such a big deal that they now work flawlessly together. And I'm also going to show you how to set everything all up. So what is the Stream Deck and Streamyard? Streamyard is a browser-based live streaming platform that makes it super easy to go live. And up until now, you have had to use the mouse to control your production all within the browser environment. Now, while this is great and makes it really super easy, quite frankly, it's not the best practice. If you know me, you know I am a huge advocate for the Stream Deck. I have the Stream Deck myself, and I use it all the time. It makes it a push-button simple production, and it allows you, the content creator, to focus on the thing that matters most, the content. So, how do we go ahead and set this all up? Well, we are going to go ahead and go over to Streamyard.com. And we are gone ahead and entered into the broadcast studio. Once in that broadcast studio, you can see here, I can go over to settings and I can click on hotkeys. Once I click on hotkeys, you can see these are the hotkeys that you can use inside of Streamyard. Now, I will tell you right off the bat, it does not do every functionality, but keep in mind, and they have made this very clear, this is version 1 of hotkeys. So you can see here, you can mute and unmute your microphone. You can turn your camera on and off. You can start screen sharing. You can share a video. You can go live. You can end the broadcast. You can do a solo layout, crop layout, all your layouts, navigation, and entering and exiting full screen. All of this can be done with hotkeys. So if I want to go ahead and create a hotkey for going live, maybe I want it to be Command L. I can do that. And then to end the live, maybe I want it to be Command E. Apparently that's all I used. So Command K. So now I can go ahead and program this onto my Stream Deck. Let's go and take a look at how this is done. Okay, let's take a look at how you can go about programming the Stream Deck. So I've gone ahead and created a new profile, and I've already started to set it up, but it's really easy to do. You're gonna come into the system section of the Stream Deck software, and you're gonna find the hotkey option, and drag it in. And now what you'll do is take one of the hotkeys from Streamyard and you can add it to the Stream Deck. So in this case, Shift S is the share screen function. So inside of that Stream Deck software, I can literally go ahead and add a hotkey of Shift S, and that would be my share screen. Now, inside of Streamyard, I can push that hotkey, and it has gone ahead and started the screen share. So this is super easy to do and really easy to set up. Like what you've seen, definitely make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and like down below, and leave a comment and start a conversation. If you have any further questions, I'm always happy to answer them. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace!